Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
Wagwan, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. Yeah, man. So today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to cook jerk wings in air fryer. Here, I have 8 pieces of wings in my bowl. I have 4 flats, 4 drumsticks. So I'm using the Maggi dry jerk season, and I'm using the Maggi wet jerk season. Now we're gonna go ahead and wash our chicken wings with some fresh lemon. Now I'm going to wash my chicken wings. Fresh lemon. You want to make sure you wash your chicken properly before you cook it. Especially if you're cooking a mutton, pork, stuff like that. You want to make sure you wash your meat real properly. So now I'm gonna rinse again. Now I'm going to drain them before I add my jerk season to them. Now I'm going to preheat my air fryer. I'm going to preheat it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, then I could put my wings inside. But before I put my wings inside, I have to season my wings with my jerk season. So we're going to go ahead now and start the jerk season process. So now I'm going to add the jerk season to the wings. I'm going to use like 2 tablespoons of wet jerk season. 2 tablespoons of that. Now I'm going to add roughly 1 tablespoon of dry jerk season. Just like that. Now we're going to rub in our jerk season. And our chicken wings. This is how they look. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this. You're gonna love this recipe. You're gonna real nice and tasty. And I get my jerk season them. One of my friends buy them off Amazon for me, so you could go on Amazon and you get Maggi jerk season off Amazon. You get both of them, the wet jerk and the dry jerk. Okay, now I'm gonna take off my gloves. So I'm gonna wait for the air fryer to warm up. After the air fryer finish warm up, then we're gonna add our jerk chicken wings to our air fryer. Now the air fryer warm up, so I'm gonna go ahead now and start the chicken wings inside the air fryer pan. Could hear it sizzling. I put it to warm for 10 minutes. Remember, 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the flats. This is how they look in the air fryer. Now I'm gonna add the wings to the air fryer. And I'm gonna air roast for like 20 minutes. Normally I give it 25 minutes, but I'm gonna start with 20 minutes. So after 15 minutes, we're gonna come and check our jerk wings. Now we're in 15 minutes in the cooking process. And check the wings. And now we're gonna go ahead and turn our wings. They smell so good. So good. I'm gonna cook them for an additional 5 minutes. If I need to go over 5 minutes, I'm gonna at least go another 5 minutes. So it's gonna be like 25 minutes in all. So now 20 minutes up. My wings, they look like they wanna cook some more. So I'm gonna give it a extra 5 minutes. I don't want them to be too dry though. As you could see, they need to soak some more. So I'm gonna give them an extra 5 minutes. So it's gonna be 25 minutes. So air fry, start. Give it an extra 400 degree. So down. Extra 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, my wings should be ready. So now my wings are ready. After 25 minutes, this is how they look. See, they're not dry out. Nice. So this is how my jerk chicken wings they look when they finish and come out the air fryer. I'm gonna add some jerk sauce to them. So I'm gonna allow them to cool down first before I eat them. I'm telling you, go ahead, try this recipe. You're going to love it. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.